There are several programming languages that are commonly used in the field of cybersecurity, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Here are 3 programming languages that are particularly useful for cybersecurity. Python. Python is a popular language for cybersecurity because it is easy to learn, has a wide range of libraries and tools, and can be used for a variety of tasks such as network scanning, vulnerability assessment, and malware analysis. C and C++ are low-level languages that are commonly used in system-level programming and for developing software that interacts directly with hardware. They are often used for writing security-critical code, such as device drivers and operating system controls. Java. Java is a widely used language for developing enterprise-level applications and is often used for creating secure web applications and server-side software. It is also known for its strong security features, such as bytecode verification and sandboxing. Ruby. Ruby is a dynamic scripting language that is used for developing web applications and other types of software. It is often used for testing and developing exploits, as well as for developing tools for automated vulnerability scanning. PowerShell. PowerShell is a command-line shell and scripting language that is used primarily on Windows systems. It is often used for automating administrative tasks and is also useful for performing security-related tasks, such as analyzing event logs and auditing system settings. These 5 languages are just a few examples of the many programming languages that can be useful for cybersecurity. Ultimately, the choice of language will depend on the specific tasks and objectives of the cybersecurity project.